Electronic funds transfer, or EFT, is becoming increasingly popular in organizations. With Paymate Acclaim, you can easily set up your employees to be paid via EFT or direct deposit. Before we start, we'll need to have our employees' banking information ready, which can be obtained from receiving a void check from the employee. Let's first set up our employees' banking details. From the Setup menu, we select an employee, let's say Harold, from the employees list to view his information. When we go to the Bank tab, we can click the checkbox to say that Harold will be paid by direct deposit. We can enter his banking information and save. Now that Harold is all set up for direct deposit, we can process payroll normally. Before printing or emailing the payslips, we can print, save, or email the deposit register for our reference. Once that's done, from the banking menu, we select Create File for Bank. In the Setup option, we select the bank we're paying from and enter in our company's banking information and save. Once we verify that the information is correct, we can create and download the bank file. Make sure to keep track of where your bank file is saved on your local computer. From here, we can use this file and upload it to our bank's website according to their instructions. If you have any questions about direct deposit or EFT in Paymate Acclaim, please contact support@paymatesoftware.com and we'll be glad to assist you.